Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. We are from Group 7 and we will be presenting our assignment project of Communication Principles subject under the title of Machine-to-Machine Communication, or also known as M2M. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Hisham. Number matrix of B122410451. We will begin our presentation. So for the introduction of machine-to-machine communication, machine-to-machine or M2M communication enables automated data exchange between devices without human intervention and plays a vital role in modern industrial systems such as SCADA, smart grids, and supply chain automation. By using secure data transmission and reliable wireless communication protocols, machine-to-machine systems support real-time monitoring, control, and optimization of industrial process. As industries move toward digitalization and Industrial Revolution 4.0, machine-to-machine communication has become essential for improving efficiency, safety, and sustainability, while also raising important societal, health, legal, and ethical considerations. Now let's move on to the overview for telecommunication system for machine-to-machine communication. So as you can see, the architecture of machine-to-machine telecommunication system consists of three layer from my research. So the first layer is known as device layer, consists of components such as sensors, smart meters, RTUs, and PLCs. The second layer, known as network layer, while using the networking components such as fiber connection, cellular, narrowband Internet of Things, and long-range wide access network. And then we move on to the application layer, such as SCADA servers and cloud analytics. These are some of the components used in machine-to-machine communication system to support scalability and system integration. The working mechanism of M2M communication follows a closed-loop process, where data is continuously collected, transmitted, analyzed, and used for control decisions. This enables industrial systems to operate autonomously and respond quickly to faults. Now, for the analysis of what can machine-to-machine communication do to affect our society, is that it has significant impact by enhancing industrial efficiency, reliability, and economic growth through automation and real-time data exchange. It allows smarter energy management, efficient supply chains, and improved service delivery, benefiting both industries and consumers. However, the widespread adoption of machine-to-machine communication systems also raises societal challenges such as data privacy concerns, cybersecurity risks, job displacements due to automation, and unequal access to advanced communication infrastructure, particularly in rural or undeveloped areas.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Aizat bin Julmin with matrix number B122410476. So now I'm gonna present about health and safety considerations. Health and safety issues in M2M communication systems mainly involve low-level radio frequency radiation from wireless device, physical risk during installation and maintenance, and operational safety in critical industrial environments. While RF exposure generally complies with international safety standards, concerns remain about long-term exposure and worker stress. Communication failures or cyber attacks in systems such as SCADA and smart grids can also pose serious safety risks, making proper safety procedures, system design, and cybersecurity measures essential. First one, health concerns. Wireless M2M systems emit low-level RF radiation, generally within international safety limits. Public concerns over long-term exposure remain. Mental stress for operators due to continuous monitoring, importance of ergonomic system and workload design. Second, safety risks in installation and operation. Electrical hazards and working at heights, confined space, and hazardous environments list of system failure due to communication loss, cyber attacks affecting industrial safety, and last one, risk mitigation measures, adherence to RF and occupational safety standards, worker training and use of PPE, redundant networks and fail-safe mechanisms, cybersecurity measures, encryption, access control. Next, legal and ethical issues. M2M communication systems are governed by laws related to data protection, spectrum allocation, and critical infrastructure security. These regulations ensure safe and reliable communication by protecting sensitive industrial and consumer data. Ethical concerns mainly involve data privacy, surveillance, and accountability, especially when automated systems make decisions with limited human involvement, such as data protection and privacy regulations, spectrum allocation and communication standards, ethical concerns over surveillance, and last one, need to accountability and human oversight.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Akil Aizat and I will present the cultural impact, future trends and conclusion. So for the culture impact, machine-to-machine or M2M communication influence the way people work and make decisions by increasing reliance on automation and data-driven system in both industrial and daily activities. Work culture is gradually shifting from manual supervision to digital monitoring. As a result, workers are required to learn new technical skills and many professional roles are changing to adapt to automated environments. Public acceptance of M2M system also differ across in communities. This depends on factors such as trust in technology, concerns about privacy, and attitude toward automation. For the example, there are growing concerns related to data protection and privacy regulation, spectrum allocation, and communication standard, as well as ethical issues surrounding surveillance. Therefore, there is a strong need to accountability and continue human oversight to ensure that M2M technologies are used responsibly and accepted by society. Next, for the future trends. Advancement in machine-to-machine or M2M communication will be driven by emerging technologies such as 5G, engaged computing, artificial intelligence, and advanced cybersecurity framework. This technology will enable ultra-low latency massive device connectivity, predictive maintenance, and more autonomous control system. As a result, industrial operating will become more efficient, resilient, and responsive. However, while this development promise improved performance and efficiency, they also increase concerns related to cybersecurity risks, data ethics, and workforce transformation. Therefore, it is important to adopt a balanced approach that combines technological innovation with proper regulatory development. This is ensure that future end-to-end communication systems are not only advanced but also secure, ethical, and sustainable. For conclusion, machine-to-machine or M2M communication plays a crucial role in modern industrial systems such as SCADA, smart grid, and supply chain automation. Each enables secure and reliable data transmission, which help improve efficiency, safety, and overall productivity. However, despite its many advantages, M2M communication also presents several challenges, including health, security, legal, ethical, and cultural concerns. Therefore, this issue must be carefully addressed. In conclusion, proper system design, effective regulation, and responsive technological development are essential to ensure that M2M based industrial communication system remain sustainable, secure and trustworthy in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.